Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about AMP coin price prediction and AMP coin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for AMP coin in 2022. AMP is described as the new digital collateral token offering instant, verifiable assurances for any kind of value transfer. Using AMP, networks like Flexa can quickly and irreversibly secure transactions for a wide variety of asset-related use cases. AMP claims to offer a straightforward but versatile interface for verifiable collateralization through a system of collateral partitions and collateral managers. AMP supports a wide variety of use cases for collateralization, and also introduces the concept of pre-defined partition strategies, which can enable special capabilities such as collateral models through which tokens can be staked without ever leaving their original address. RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das has once again dropped some bombs over the future of cryptocurrencies in India. In a post-monetary policy briefing, he termed crypto a threat to macroeconomic and financial stability. He warned investors to invest at their own risk. Indian Central Bank Governor Mr. Das has always been reluctant to the adoption of cryptocurrencies. The central bank is worried about capital controls of cryptocurrencies as anyone from anywhere can create them. Issues like money laundering and terrorism financing have been the concern of the government regarding the use of digital tokens. Crypto exchange Binance is the largest exchange in the world and one of the most widely used exchanges in Africa. It has found a market of loyal users in the Nigerian youth who have turned to crypto to combat growing unemployment and inflation rates in the country. Given this, the crypto exchange has founded a number of initiatives to help its customer base in the region to leverage crypto and its services. This time around, Binance has taken education straight to its users. The crypto exchange has begun hosting masterclasses across various university campuses in the country to teach people about crypto and drive adoption. In the February issue of the Eye on the Market newsletter, Michael Sembalist, chairman of Market and Investment Strategy for J.P. Morgan Asset and Wealth Management, takes a close look at the adoption trends, capital flows and use cases for cryptocurrencies and blockchains. In this 28-page research report, titled, The Maltese Falcon, Sembalist admitted that he did not anticipate the increase in crypto values from $25 billion to $250 billion to $2.5 trillion inches, currently $2.12 trillion, and accepted that he is late to the crypto party. He also pointed out that in this report he is only speaking for himself and not on behalf of his employer. Below are some highlights from this report. There's a ton of money pouring into crypto and blockchain investments. Crypto adoption is rising across investor types and regions. While institutional ownership has been low to date, it is now growing. Bridgewater estimated that approximately 1 million Bitcoin, around 5% of total issued supply, are now held by institutional investors via custodial intermediaries. Bitcoin's volatility continues to be ridiculously high, and its volatility often rises when equity market volatility is rising too. Prices fixed in Bitcoin means something different than merchants who accept Bitcoin. While the latter is rising, the merchant's Bitcoin price simply adjusts to reflect the price of the goods or services in fiat currency terms, and most merchants quickly hedge their Bitcoin exposure. The only items that appear to be priced in Bitcoin or linked directly to it are other cryptocurrencies. The use of stablecoins for cross-border remittances is negligible right now but seems set to rise, in countries that allow them, by those with bank accounts given frequently higher costs of traditional channels. Stablecoins are often described as being backed by reserve assets. However, there are no standards regarding composition of stablecoin reserve assets, and information made publicly available is not consistent as to content or frequency. Currently there's around $100 billion locked up in DeFi activities. This refers to the amount of crypto collateral deposited in DeFi applications. This measure is imperfect due to double counting and leverage. One Achilles heel of the NFT market. Just as Bitcoin ownership is highly concentrated, the same is true for the NFT art market. According to AMP Price Forecast and Technical Analysis, in 2022 AMP price is expected to cross the average price level of $0.041. The expected minimum price value of AMP by the end of this year should be $0.039. In addition, AMP may reach a maximum price level of $0.046. The upward trend was predicted solely based on the merits of AMP viz. Safety and reliability. AMP is a digital collateral token that offers verifiable guarantees to ensure the transfer of value. The further impact on the prices of this collateral token can be seen based on the inflow of funds by financial institutions and investors of collateral tokens in the long term. Crypto is among the top 50 cryptocurrencies, and with this it will surely reach new heights. In light of the pandemic and the uncertainty surrounding it, the money segment has suffered greatly, bringing the deficit of nations to a phenomenally high level even for developed countries such as the United States. There is no sure cryptocurrency forecast for any of the existing cryptomonnaies, and therefore for the AMP forecast. Taking into account historical data and cryptocurrency markets, AMP is ready to confirm its strong position as the main attraction among its users, partners, and the community of traders. AMP can maintain a positive outlook while the price is trading with many bullish movements. The road ahead is full of pedals, provided that investment advice or confidence continues to grow, which leads to a strong push to the price, forcing it to cross all barriers in the amount of $0.097. AMP has created a fast, reliable ecosystem and works with the user experience of the product. These features can help the AMP coin get a much higher price of 11 cents per coin. If the quest for a functional AMP crypto world continues in 2023, the AMP price may even see a paradigm shift. And therefore, according to the AMP 2023 price forecast, it will be profitable to invest money in AMP at the current price in order to get a good profit in the future. Quite a lot of speculation is going forward for AMP, especially considering the technical achievements and rapidly developing sectors of progress that the corporation is targeting. There is a forecast that the AMP price may reach 14 cents. The advantage was made mainly due to security features and scalability. Exciting advertising businesses can do the rest by forcing users to collect profits. AMP functionality is carved by the masterminds. Over the next 5 years, the token will gain momentum with other cryptocurrencies to reach a price of 17 cents. For AMP, tremendous optimism is predicted mainly due to its stable performance over the next 4 years. Hence, traders should refer to our AMP forecast before investing in AMP. If the market becomes favorable, the AMP price will break down all barriers and work with excess, scaling the peak in the near future according to our forecast. Breaking all restrictions over the next year, the AMP token will undoubtedly show signs of good luck. Users can do their research and include AMP in their portfolio along with other AMP cryptography price prediction coins to make significant money in the near future. Relying on reliable smart contracts, the AMP price could easily touch 19 cents by the second half of 2026. According to price prediction, AMP has shown a good growth in trading volume and market capitalization by 2.42% over the past 24 hours. However, it is still difficult for him to get on board with other cryptocurrencies. In the previous 7 days, AMP experienced a price decline of about minus 10.15%.